90-Day to 10K course outline. Develop a new successful business stream every 90 days. Create a success plan to make 10K in 90 days. Start your 3.5-hour work week. Millionaires have 7 sources of income, so can you. Bring your existing business and see if it fits our program, or we can share successful business models. Define the benefits of your product and service and why your prospect would want them. Make live calls and get immediate feedback and support. Write scripts, role play, and practice them. Price $5,000 for 90 days or no money down and 50% of the income generated in the 90 days. Go to linktr.ee/It's My Destiny to register.